Let's build this cubby house with a slide on it. Let's start by building the stairs. We need this long blue rectangle block for the base. And then we're going to get the number 1 blue block and place it on the left hand side. And then let's get a pink block and place it next to number 1. Let's get the number 2 pink block and place it on top. Let's get a yellow block and place it on the right hand side at the end, and another yellow block on top. What number should we have next? That's right, number 3. Let's have a yellow 3 block for our last step, and that's our staircase finished. Now let's build our cubby house. Let's start with our green base plate. To support the cubby house, we need a post. Let's use this tall blue block and place it in the left-hand corner. For our other post, let's use this square block and place it in the middle at the back. This is what it looks like on the side and above. To extend the middle post, let's place another blue block on top. Now let's join the 2 posts together with this rectangle slab. And now we're ready to add our slide. Let's place it on the other side of the post and then at the end of the base plate. That's it. This is what it looks like from behind. Let's use the light blue block for the floor in our cubby house. And now we need it to add the door. Let's add it to the floor block. And of course we need a roof to keep the rain out. That's it. Now we've finished our cubby house. Let's place a flower at the bottom and join the 2 pieces together. Let's get the cute dog on top of the stairs. Thanks for building with me today. That's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe.